In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to sign in to your Zoho Mail account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your browser, Chrome, Safari or whichever you prefer. In the address bar, type Mail Zoho's Home and hit enter. On the Zoho Mail home page, click the Sign In button at the top right. This will take you to the login page. Now, enter your Zoho email address. It could be something like you@zoho.com or your custom domain. Double check for typos to avoid errors. Next, type in your password carefully since it's case sensitive. Once done, click sign in again. If your details are correct, you'll be taken straight to your inbox. If not, make sure your internet is stable and that caps lock isn't on. And that's it. You're now signed into Zoho Mail. I'm ready to check your emails. Stay tuned for more quick guides and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tips.